Get some beautiful brown. Oh yeah. Let's put that wool in there. Alright. And we want to make a 80-20, which should be pretty easy because I want 100 grams. So 80 grams of wool. And then we'll do a 20 gram of alpaca. And this is a pre-scoured wool from my local sheep breeder. And yes, it comes in a bag, so sorry for all the crinkling. Oh my god, spot on. Nice. And let's put the alpaca on top of that. The alpaca, I'm using some old alpaca I had laying around. It's not my pretty one, but for a pair of socks, I think it's gonna be fine. Will it stay? Almost there. 2 more grams. I need to wash some more alpaca. Ha! 100. Let's dye this floof now. Straggler. Alright! It's time for spinning! So, as you can see, I got some beautiful bats made. And let's spin this into sock yarn on my ashford traditional. It's very different to spin this after having spun my thicker yarn for my sweater. It's not hard, but it's a getting back into it kind of feeling. The fun part about some thin yarn is you can hide your inconsistency better. Can't wait to see what everyone will be doing for Socktober. Don't forget to add your creations on Instagram with the hashtag #SocksForTommy. In the next video, I will add those creations to the end of the video to show everyone your creations. it's time for playing. I really can't wait to start knitting with this yarn. It's not soft, but it's on the softer side. Yeah, I really can't wait to start knitting this. Start seeing the color work, and also do it on in the proper sizing. Because I don't know, I don't remember if I said at the start of the video, but this is my second attempt at those socks. And the first one, thank you, Tommy. So the first one, the pattern says to use like small, I think it's like the 2.25 size needle. And those were way too small for the size of the yarn I had. So the socks themselves were not very stretchy, let's just say. And so not stretchy, in fact, that my foot wouldn't slide in it. So I spent hours and hours of knitting the beautiful cuff, and they were too tight. So, and also I didn't spin enough yarn the first time, so I was gonna run out. So this time, I should fix both problems in one go, and have enough yarn, and also knit with the proper size needle. So hopefully, at the end of this, I will be able to wear those socks. And we are done with the brown. Oh yeah, so squishy. Well, not really squishy. It's very tight. But yeah, done. Let's do the white now. And we are ready to spin some more. Oops, let's put the brake back on. So I skeined up the brown yarn. So we're ready to spin some more. I just skeined up the brown yarn that we made, and carded some white floof. That's the same mix of alpaca and Shetland. No, not Shetland. Finnsheep. Finnsheep and alpaca. 80% Finnsheep and 20% alpaca. And yeah, carded these, and we are ready to spin some more sock yarn. This time, it's gonna be the main color, I guess you could say. I don't know if you could say the main color, because the sock pattern is a Tommy's chasing his tail. So, yeah, did you catch it? Wow! Wow, you're such a good boy! So yeah, the pattern is like a mismatch. This is my wool, sir, not yours. The pattern is a mismatch, mix, match socks. So both are not the same main color and contrasting color. So one is mostly brown, the other one is mostly white. So I don't know if the white is the main color or the brown is in that case. So let's spin the other color, color B. It's disgusting, sir. We don't eat the fluff on the ground. We've been having a relaxing weekend, and someone has a lot of energy to burn tonight. Yeah, you know I'm talking about you. And also it's like an hour to his dinner time, so he thinks that he's gonna get fed anytime now. It's not time yet, sir. I'll spin a little bit, and then we're gonna go take a little walk around the neighborhood, and then we're gonna have dinner. Hey, sir. And then I will spin all of this, well, hopefully all of this yarn. It's only 100 grams, so I should be able to spin the rest tonight. Anyway, we're gonna watch some probably Parks and Recreation because I'm rewatching the show, and it's very good. It's one of my feel-good series. And then you're gonna probably ask me, aren't you tired of spinning some white, some very, well, yeah, solid white yarn? And the answer is yes. I kind of am. But after this, we're gonna spin a little bit more for the sweater. And then hopefully after that, it won't be white. I really feel like doing one of those hand-dyed braid that I did for my socks at the start of this channel 6 months ago. Those are so fun to do. And as a sneak peek, I may or may not have bought pans, like actual pans that won't leak in my stove, in my oven. So I will be able to do my own hand dyeing. So stay tuned for that. We might be making our own hand dyed braid. Yeah. May be a little bit too much tension on this. There you go, much better. The walnut outside decided to drop its 3 walnuts that I was looking at the entire summer, and then I was able to grab them before the squirrel did. So I am now the proud owner of 3 walnut pods. And I think I'll shell them and freeze the husks, because I don't think I need to dye anything brown right now. But I want to keep them for when I do.
Modern life, where we run. Sometimes what we want is not always where we are. Next slide. Are we alone?
Funny girl you were talking to? Comes through preparing bigness, packs, they're providing yourself.
I'm completely screwed. No shrimp, no backup plan, no more nutrient bars. What do you want to watch?
What's up, coconut? Alright, we are done. I may or may not have forgotten to record at some point, but we are done. We got our 2 little skeins. It looks small, but it's about 100 grams each, so should be enough. Hopefully it's gonna be enough. Otherwise, I'll have to find a way to dye this shade of brown again. and then spin some more. But hopefully it's gonna be enough. I may be translating the pattern to do toe up instead of cuff down, just to make sure that the leg, we don't run out of yarn halfway through. I'll figure this out this week, I think, and we'll see. I hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget, if you want to do the knit along during Socktober, the hashtag will be socks for Tommy and socks for you, Coco. Yes. So yeah, I will be posting these on Instagram as well, so you will see the hashtag over there. I don't exactly know how it works, but should be easy to figure out, I guess. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little spinning video. Back to basics, stock spinning, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.